Was 9 to 5 every day for 3 months, guys. That shit was rough. Before that, I tried YouTube, but it was too much noise, right? There was no structure, no roadmap, and keep it a bean with you. If I had to start over again, guys, I just What's good, family? Military Then Code. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on all socials at Military Then Code, helping active duty veterans and career changers transition into tech the smart way. If you're coming from the military, law enforcement, or just a career where you feel stuck, I've been there, guys. I went from military police officer to making 6 figures in my first year as a developer, and now I help others do the same through the freedom path. Today, I'm gonna break down the exact system I use to go from active duty to making over $100 an hour as a paid developer in weeks, not months. We're covering 3 phases, guys. So let's jump right into it. Phase number 1 is going to be mindset shift. At first, I thought if I just did a little bit of studying, learn some random tech here and there, I'd land a job. I tried to shortcut my way to success, right? And it cost me big time. I wasted my GI Bill on classes that felt comfortable, not purposeful, right? Because deep down, I was afraid to bet on myself, guys, and really take a chance on myself. Here's what changed everything for me. I learned that technology is not optional anymore. Right now, about 92% of US jobs require digital skills, yet 1/3 of workers lack even basic digital skills. That means if you build digital skills, you immediately separate yourself from millions of people, guys. That realization hit me hard. I realized that people who can build online own their own future, and what you build can outlive you. Once that clicked for me, I locked in. I stopped hiding from the challenge and decided to commit to tech fully, right? Now, all those days that I wasted my GI Bill, right? Now, I was comfortable, guys, because I was getting the BAH, right? I was, comfortable getting that check every single month. I didn't have any worries, right? Not a care in the world, especially getting out during the pandemic. It was so much uncertainty, guys. I was going through a divorce, had another baby on the way. So I was comfortable. I wanted to be comfortable. And instead of taking a chance on myself, I wanted to be bitch made and really settle, right? Settle for wasting away. And that's what I did, guys. For months and months on end, I wasted away my GI Bill, wasted my time, wasted my resources, guys. That decision took me to the next phase, which is number 2, finding career path, guys. If you don't choose the right direction, you'll drown in confusion. That was me. I jumped around everywhere, guys. IT, messing around with trying to study for bullshit certifications, right? Medical billing and coding, working in the ER because I was comfortable. I had a law enforcement background, kept bouncing around from one path to another because I didn't know where I was going, guys. I'm not alone. Right now, about 52% of US workers are considering a career change. So if you're feeling stuck or lost, you're not broken, guys. You're normal. But here's the truth. Clarity beats hustle. Once I discovered coding, everything changed for me. I finally had a path that could either get me hired or that could help me make money from clients. That gave me a direction, guys. And that led me to the next step, which is building a valuable skill set. And I remember a time, guys, I was working in the ER. I tried the medical billing and coding because I thought it would be easy, guys. And I actually thought that would teach me how to code. But on the medical side, I thought it was like some special code and shit for medical people, right? Goofy thinking. And, I just was really using that as an out because I was comfortable. I had, the law enforcement background. So it got me the job at the ER working overnights, right? So I'm like, okay, this is easy. Let me study medical billing and coding and waste my GI Bill, guys. And I don't want you guys to do that because that wasted time, those 3 months of wasted time before, I decided to go into the boot camp, that cost me, guys. That could have been 3 less months into my entry, right? Because a lot happened in my life during that 3 months, guys. Like I told you, I was going through the divorce, guys. I was, really trying to find myself and find my identity outside of the military. So my mindset was in the shit and I was just wasting time, guys. And I don't want you to do that, right? That's why you guys need to develop a skill set that's gonna get you paid. I committed and joined the coding bootcamp, guys. Now, honestly, did it help? Yes. Was it intense? Hell yeah, absolutely. Was 9 to 5 every day for 3 months, guys. That shit was rough. Before that, I tried YouTube, but it was too much noise, right? There was no structure, no roadmap. Keep it a bean with you. If I had to start over again, guys, I'll just keep it simple. I only learned HTML and CSS first, build small real world projects, and then add JavaScript. And I'll only stick with one instruction. That simplicity changed everything for me, guys. Especially when I found my boy boy coding phase, because once I really locked in and followed him, that took me to the next level. But here's the truth. Don't chase the new technologies, right? Chase what gets you paid. I made money with just using HTML and CSS. I built small things, like custom website templates, email signature banners, and I sold them on Fiverr, guys, to start and built from there. Now, this isn't just theory. Full-time US freelancers earn a median income of around $85,000 per year, guys. So real skills equals real income. That's the same approach we teach inside the Freedom Path, so students can start earning money quickly, guys. Thinking back to when I made my first Fiverr sale, and I'll show you guys, here on the screen, it was surreal to me because I never made money online before that, guys. And the fact that, I could build something once, post it online, right? Took me only an hour or so to make the pictures for it, to write the little description, and to create the post, right? Just doing that was able to generate me money without me doing anything else, right? Just that one time posting it up, going live, setting the list and act. You guys can do that same thing too, man. And I'm telling you, once you do that first one, it's gonna feel so good, guys. It's gonna feel so good. I don't want you to just believe, it's just me getting these results, right? Students inside the Freedom Path are getting real outcomes, guys. They're getting their first paid clients. They're getting their interview pipelines, building real momentum. Let's talk about me in here, who got his first job in tech as a developer, his first full-time job as a developer, guys, or Malik, who's building a SaaS application for, football players after being a D1 athlete and a professional athlete, right?
Oh, it's Malik Henry, quarterback. I just want to give a special shout out to my boy Kevin J. Mosley over there at militarythencode. He's helping me develop an app for you guys that's coming here in the near future. I suggest you guys go check that out, man. He's been a great mentor to me. And if you guys have any more questions about the tech industry or anything in that field, man, go hit him up at militarythencode. My boy Kevin, man.
Athlete, right? You guys can do the same exact thing, and you will do the same exact thing, because I believe you guys can be next, guys. And here's how we can help you go from learner to earner in just 8 to 12 weeks. Our mission-based system. Inside the Freedom Path, you choose either the job track, where we help you build your interview pipeline to your first position in tech, guys, or the client track, where we help you land your first paid client. Start with that same foundation and branch off, depending on your goals, guys. Now, what you'll get is weekly live Q&A sessions, right? Live coding workshops, right? Accountability squads or battle buddies, Notion planners and template, portfolio and outreach script, and sales pipeline and cadence reviews, right? It takes about 6 to 8 hours per week, guys. That's it. Whether you're the client track to get your first paid client, or the job track to get 3 or more interviews in that first job. If you want a faster, more personalized experience, guys, we have an accelerator path as well. That's for the people who want one-on-one planning, personalized reviews, deal desk, negotiation support, guys, and a more intensive 8 to 12 week experience with me directly. That's going to compress the timeline and improve your outcomes, guys. If you want this exact system with the support, so you can go from military or career changer to tech, or go from zero to earning, go ahead and book your free Freedom Path qualification call, guys. And on that call, we'll identify which path is best for you, right? Client or job or both. We'll also audit your goal and help you build your next action plan, guys. And if it's a good fit, we'll invite you to join us. Hit the link below and you can join some of these students that's getting results you want out of tech, guys. Check them out here. And now, if this helped, drop a like, subscribe, comment, and share this with someone trying to get into tech, guys. Always remember that mindset, direction, and skill set. Once you lock in on those 3, everything will change in your tech journey, guys. So I'll see you guys on the call.